Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as the title says, I will be doing some Coi Leray inspired braids. Let's hope that it actually comes out how I envision it. Also, in today's video, I'll be using some products from Touchdown Haircare, and they sent me a few of their products, including 4-edge grow edge tamers, a satin scarf, and also their Miracle Grow hair oil, which I'm actually more excited for the hair oil than the edge tamers because the hair oil is said to have triple strength. So I'm more excited for that. Like, just the words on the bottle is what got me. So I'm going to show you guys the products now. So this is the hair oil and it has CBD in it. So this line is their premium CBD line, and the hair oil has CBD, and also the edge tamers has CBD, plus the edge tamers have 24K gold in it, so that's a plus as well. Real 24K gold. This of course is the pineapple scent, and like I said, it's gold inside. I already used this one, that's why it's dig through. They pay good attention to the packaging, which is really nice as well. This actually smells like pineapple, like a sweet pineapple smell. It's not too strong, it's not too harsh. I also have the strawberry scent, the lemon scent, and the cherry mango. So this is how it looks. That's how the cover looks. Very nice. The edge tamer line is also for regrowth, strengthening, and repairing your hair, which is your edges, because we all know edges have to be full edges, no thin edges or anything. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'll be using them to smooth down my sections and also to do my edges at the end. Products will also be at all local beauty supply stores, so if you're interested, hit up your local beauty supply store and get some. So right now I'm gonna take the one that I used before, which is the pineapple one, and just put that on my parting just to make it a little bit cleaner. So now I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do this because I have a lot of braiding videos on my channel where I actually go in depth with like knotless braids. But if you guys want me to do like a actual detailed video on knotless braids, just let me know down in the comments and I will get on it for you. But I know I'll just be feeding through this and won't be talking. I'll just let you guys watch as I do this, because something like this shouldn't take long because they're big and not like small or medium or anything. And I'm doing this with nails, so it's kind of requires more focus. So yeah, I did these two off camera and I added some hair and I sectioned off right here. I might cut this, maybe, not sure. I did the same thing right here and it looks nice, it looks cute. Not sure if I'm gonna put it on all of them, maybe, but I am gonna move on to this side. So I'm back, guys, and I actually put the hair on the rods already because my memory card got full and I just didn't want to waste time waiting on it. So I just did this. So I have my hot water right here, and this kettle is solely for hair. I don't use it for anything else. So if anybody is wondering, then that's a disclaimer. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out your local beauty supply stores for these edge controls and also the Miracle Grow hair oil. And remember that all these products are infused with CBD and it helps to repair, strengthen and regrow your hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.